akashindwa, akaenda kwa Moi, kweli? Akashindwa na Kibaki 2007, akashikana na Kibaki. Akashindwa na Uhuru, akaenda kwa Uhuru. Akashindwa na Ruto, akaenda kwa Ruto. Mtu ambaye hana msimamo katika Kenya, the real watermelon of Kenyan politics, ni one Raila Amolo. So hiyo tagu ulikuwa umewekelea Kalonzo, tumekubadika, wewe ndio watermelon. Kalonzo is a patriotic son of this republic. Si ndio? Mimi nimeketi chini na huyu Eugene Wamalwa. Alikuwa offered waziri wa broad based government. Akakataa, akasimama na Kenya. Nimeketi na Martha Karua, hawezi tingishwa. Juzi nimeongea na Tebea. Akaniambia mtu akisikia ameenda kwa Ruto, ile watu wako karibu na yeye wamshike wapeleke Mathare. So between myself, Kalonzo, Eugene Wamalwa, Martha Karua, George Natebea, those 5 leaders cannot betray the people of Kenya. And among us, tutatoa mtu mmoja.
Musikikasha kwa Gatabanga igati yaje Martha Karua, rigati Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, George Natembea, rieta ria mati anguri tagarra buto kuri wapi. Ono koranga ba muture kurwara watare ngoyo. Tigara enda uchimoina. Nande esikaro kwa tagarra chingwane chumo sikikasha kwa karachaka nigachaka Gatabanga na kwane na bara ya bons. Bante biro no bale asazame kwa mirese gamba go serikali. Gatabanga musikumne Natembea matenga ga como rojiro je serikali bali baranga na era bamubwate bamo. Amuire Mathare ngobeire bali mu. So mistake nera kabire abuga na Sam. Mistake nera kabire abande nabakuligerelinga amagoso musikamate ngina korata mamocho yo gweyatanana gosekorra gamnanga kweyongori kurwese abameri ba serikali na abande baranga asimio gosaba bakwamira serikali aba opposition abao bakorugunga ababwatani babo kwamira serikali na baroranga bakorira mamocho kumwatana na mapembe karero bwe komanyetare yatanana tumatinge garo kolengera linga tumunege
biamono harono toto siri swali liya agantongare nata kora it before ntaraichagwe about the UPA the UPA ne kiama gete we have had nganke bwata association na matiangi mwacha zero manyana taracho kurugia chagete taracho record data banga maybe na bwata ni association ne kiama kia UPA, but when you look at the kiama kia UPA actually go link just in Kisii because of the whole leadership. It is the Kisii affair and care about that national party etorate bangi bwate representation kurwa ase chinsemo chonschero ngurwa Kenya. And you know we are based in ethnic groups, and when we feel that a party that the national he went to go to a representation kurwa the executive, the everything in that party he went to cover with the national outlooks from other communities. But unfortunately the UPA party associated nero because it looks more of a Kisii party. Maybe in future now ko Kebeka Keba national party. Concerning of the Chinkwana Chomoske Rigathi Gachagua, Ototo, we and Abuga and you Nabotokwa Gringa Kero United Opposition yachete Kero Ugangubolia, the former Deputy President Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua rusitigwa sekerogo ingakinire bagatari na babo Kioni Jeremiah Kioni bagatariramo kwa bakora press conference lakini to at some point I don't know whether you realize danger Kioni asrete koro that picture of the United Opposition agachaga sira sana tukatwara the other team abaiga regarding Narandocho Maiting who is capable of doing whereby I mentioned Fred Matiang'i. This comes at the point that Jubilee is restructuring. The Jubilee Party, Ebwate, a party leader, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, Oyukuru from the same region, Rigathi Gachagua Koraki, Omaite, let me tell you, at some point, Enchiraneno Konyoranga, more within a setup. Lakini for you to determine who is powerful, sometimes you entitle yourselves to a competition. For now, I think the Jubilee Party is very separate with the United Opposition, whereby we have Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua, who is part of it, and Uhuru Kenyatta also want to be felt in the mountain. Uhuru Kenyatta na bata have felt in the mountain if he's in the presence of umuske Rigathi Gachagua. Tiato tebeiga ototo. What if we have a rally whereby we have the same time Uhuru Kenyatta, we have Rigathi Gachagua? Who do you in Mount Kenya? Who do you count for that crowd? Kwa sababu you know politics is perception. Kero tu abaraga abu yoto tebanga you have the support.
And
so who do we accounting anda ko montorete public rally go say the success of this the
no nyita digolio kasam garo kuliga yen supremacy in a way umuske Gachagua kurwane kara isikotoka Gachagua na baumira no mugutano ya Gachagua na Uhuru Kenyatta 100% sure guaranteed umuntu ugwana bo mwedu umuske Uhuru Kenyatta.
That is it. Ngendo kitoko kuna protocol.
Protocol. Abuga.
Abuga tarachi. Let me finish my point. Well, no, it's all about supremacy na whatever that Uhuru Kenyatta wants to be fair to the Jubilee Party. And again, we have seen mekutane menge okora Eugene Wamalwa, Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, Martha Karua, Boka. Lakini turarora Matiang'i uko bae ako on some occasions turarora Matiang'i uko genda was it in Trans Nzoia mbachi etamo na enda Meru akakora mkutano gweka. At some point there's a feeling that I'm having that Fred Matiang'i in one way you see he is new in politics mbona agote masiasa tima tinga gosene kerengere according to my own observation narrowly and is trying to limp on his own yani atake tuwe tagali rwe aranga ki ero monyene. How much can he mobilize maybe Ozito Kiabwate Nero Monyana on the table in one way or the other. So the bado Rigathi Gachagua na bit about Uhuru Kenyatta and it is the same Uhuru Kenyatta who keraba swete serikali bate betengandake osaliri and uchumi na kiregendo. So even if we have seen him go say I'm sorry to Uhuru Kenyatta but still we haven't seen them sit and discuss an issue anda kama wasona korateki na bete. So that is why I'm feeling that they are isolating Matiang'i because of Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Kenyatta himself want to show some supremacy in the mountain.
Ngabuga. Matiang'i ororekanire. Asomo gutano Uhuru Kenyatta Uhuru atabirenga. Ansana kwa nanga bali mako yana siasa cha matusi mogendere. Burayi mbuli ko biri kuna kuba nenda mwamu gosino kubororo bali atanga anka ibintu bnebyo. Makasiriko siasa ya matusi bintu bnebyo akiki yabete interpreted directly ligari Gachagua na rokanto bwato borobonge na rokande anero taisa negati na sare and again a constituency ko Mount Kenya nige kurwa na rokati ya Gachagua na Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Kenyatta in Gachagua's mind Uhuru Kenyatta alenge outgoing kingpin Gachagua na rocha na rotakere kwa lakini it looks like Uhuru Kenyatta atete kocha na ndare so pa weli atabanga bwana ranking bidi bado ku Mount Kenya as per the statements Kenya kwa chikwa negolit region
isona boli tangani ki tume sabu kwa lengo kampeni ya 2017 no no zeng
esguru ale
form kwa lengo zeng campus kwa lengo
badala ya campus
Bado esguru ale
you see if there's one person who wate tinyoro kama okoramo umuntu wate political insults tinyinge in 2017 was the former president
Uhuru Kenyatta.
If you remember the slang angotumia Mulevi, yangate muganga imin. Nyawata Mulevi. Tevajui nini, nini. But you see now time changes. Chinga kinga ngosu kajira. Nanda bono na retire ngorale binte bingi yata karole. But it matter ngoli swali this one demo about ya several na samunga. Na Mount Kenya got taking in the name of Uhuru, in the name of Gachagua. Who is Gachagua politically in this country?
The former deputy president.
Former deputy president. Can he be a candidate as things stand now? Can he be a candidate to be a president? No.
He cannot.
He was impeached. He's hanging on a loose note singer. And I was Kotira Chemanjere. But you see now, by in power and value, they are giving time of the change. Kipara Manchera about Chikura. You cannot say a ruling Supreme Court in favorable to him. It will be in favor. In power. Now, what about Nega? Maybe sword Chumorai.
What an influence.
Yes, but so that before we discussing supremacy part of ya Gachagua, now who is still there as a political in this country and from the area constituency whatever central region. So to discuss everything. Gachagua ko risk ya and once if risk almost at least 6 or something. Gachagua once then you can eliminate like no one's eliminate one by one. But go to eliminate Gachagua manyane.
Unataka kurugo.
Kurugo chinse. Otanga na kwante na natembea. You see, for the last like let me say like the last 1 month natembea wanze kukirake.
I think 3 months.
3 months now. A movement area yaanze ko wenjira gete. So by the time ngakashwa ko mention ya the risk ya portion dress pas ko president. Pata mako bika natembea because I movement umuntu wanze kukirake. Kind of ako provoke. Now, you go to Western region or mention Eugene Wamalwa. Eugene Wamalwa, they already in Roka Heads now. The Secretary General we party ya Gachagua. So why is he mentioning these names?
And already Gachagua natembea na Eugene ebali kiameka. But leader na deputy.
Yes. So kako mention haba antawa. In Kiakalet is provoking people. But remember from the word go, kind of Gachagua target material. If you remember the first time, the second time, Gachagua was out saying, "Monto mpaka atachukua chiomo gusire ngabuate namba sire ngabuate mwanzo sibeka kaiga." Kurende let me naknambo kabono ndewa the advocate. Njiru ndewa. Let me call him mouthpiece ya Gachagua. You see, whatever he was saying, Gachagua tarage kan. So kind of what he was saying on radio, na Gachagua moto metaenda kwa. So coordinator Matiang'i ase risk ye
nandi ya chakete mapema nyuma totaraikira no NSA NDC ya Jubilee
NDC ya Jubilee kero that advocate ya kwandi that thing on radio ya kwandi ke ikoyo thinking like ya ntumba to interpret usigo translate mugusia mengyo ngia kwanete idea hii Matiang'i tari ase sabu yao
lakini faina naje taka kwana na ndese ase Sonko.
Yes, so for me I'm not feeling embarrassed nga Matiang'i tari risk ase risk ya Gachagua Gachagua nere na acha nyoro muntu ko risk ya bantu bande ya tambe ka tebe ngontu ke tio because na bete bid. So he's waiting for one naknamro ko monto courageous enough amonta point blank amondenga na ya kunya kwebuko ase risk ya ndazo ko lakini totakiri kuboli esheria kada totakiri kuboli up to now mundo amontebi but in nation mundo haja amontebi he's trying to provoke abantu kimbaza amontebi and you see there's this idea that Gachagua atarina kwa for a long time that ichukua chia Central region ochivekira Nje ntomunge mwate banga Gachagua kwande meeting na Uhuru Kenyatta kwa ndipo mwali Uhuru Kenyatta kwa Gachagua still knows lakini pinikia Central region no Uhuru Kenyatta
yani under all circumstances the boss is Uhuru Kenyatta na wako risk gari Kalonzo Musyoka now we were trying to kutubusia monta moyo he's saying now hata banga Kalonzo Musyoka ni mwanasiasa mwaminifu I'm trying to wonder, is this same person ya Angola amalie campaign? So, oze kreba umelo na motogeta bango utagutika bakenja bachani.
Is this same gentleman, same person abakanya bako ke watermelon. So you wonder,
ta bangalia ta watermelon ni dia Raila.
The real watermelon is Raila Odinga.
But then that's politics. That's one of the banga king. You see ata bango muntu ko tiga, zinga support adekere support for Uhuru takeweru matare. You see, mental health never take room on the one in Kenya. It all depends on the level. But you see, mental health never check you. Never check your band, yeah, try check you. So to confirm.
But that's not one tagatabanga, Reno Monto, so metamangana political science, na Ruta Gasomeramato. Timati interpretation ya you timati go say come get sense
if there are people who have gone through class political science away from classroom quote unquote luto
but we are private recognition of private
learning yeah timati ya correct because one time member of parliament the 1 year one and after you the political science ya timati
he has a very short history in politics because he got just
7 years yes 7 years just 7 years
one time MP of Madira then Kuruabaga Akaba half-term deputy president. Even I don't. Yeah, but half-term they might. Rigathi Gachagua looks to be igare driven by bitterness and enchirago kwana you could feeling umuntu igategete if it's either you are subscribing to his ideas or you're not. Gong onye turgo subscribe to his ideas actually meaning you don't agree with him. Now number 2, let me remind you something. And I was telling people ngaki before Atrab no na say obo president obo deputy president post that Rigathi Gachagua actually no monto ke tojete in a very short time in Mount Kenya even when he was the deputy party leader whatever he's doing that ya mega tia ka invest mona Mount Kenya igata ketambo abune ngakitoke kwa sababu
you kneel down before him
so he wanted in one way abe kingpin nebo ulengaria part of the government so he could recognize again tokulinga tokorukanga fear of what yani ufianga ogochaka koreisia ga tension obwata ga tension gete because obwata ngandake umuntu gete nabara koreki so he realized he knows who is the kingpin. So whatever he's doing is actually trying to make himself korokana kobe kingpin. That is why rochaka nya okore mikutane. You give me a place Gachagua achire ero manyana buwe kaka mobilize crowd outside Mount Kenya. Where? There's nowhere. Na Kerarenge as a deputy party, as a deputy president, he invested in Mount Kenya, bring up the issue of shareholding, the issue of the Murima, just to
in fact, the general opinion is Kairenga Gachagua never Mount Kenya niga yemogetigu na Ruto. Because Ruto was more popular than Rigathi Gachagua. Because on popularity Mount Kenya Lenga, they saying Karabara Gachagua was not deputy president ya ngoligibu omonto abantu bange bango fefa ko Mount Kenya no muntu ko Professor Abraham Patrick Ngiyo mo deputy president. Now ko yechinsa totambuke omwaka bwe kirubere na 20 kirubere ne 5 2005 ikiama gyo ODM gekarwasu ne kiabu ODM ataka mugana kengeiga kuna ande na mo sikanto nikebagende na nyata kabaga ngonya kego ko understand nigagotabanga omuntu motangani gokwana ODM Democratic Movement nigagoroku umusikanacho naji barara igonga nero mochaki bikiama gyo ODM 2005 na ikiama gya chagetiku korunga referendum ya koliru omo Samuel Kivuito yoengo mo nene bwe kyombegya hii sikechinga kechinga Electoral Commission of Kenya oraringa bali bagota bagwanjira neli chikolinyi bataba yasi akabali toka bali ukana bataba no akaba litunda orange litunda likeburwa 2005 but initially akamugana gakara ko nyuruma gake ekyamekega niko kialengo ODM Kenya kigatoka ngamo skedani manso konyora chestireli etelio kabamuna yabete ODM gikalecha stubai go ODM Kenya na original ODM bakaruskei bakaira bakatika ODM so ikiameki chire gocha gekire bakabona Kenya ko bakego sherekea imyaka 20 imyaka 20 achievements je kiameke nelinga Raila obeire number 2 asa chikura chance chiakiru after ikiameke arostigo 2007 2013 2017 na 2002 na achievement yanana pinelinga na atwarete majority members of parliament after which 2007 2007 na atwarete majority member of parliament onya ndijinga kitu abate majority leaders of majority na minority kangana roite leaders of legitimate wijabuya achara ya ODM nereria ingi ODM yali kwa sherekea because enyo no bokorwe byama kanunege koro enyo no bokorwe byama na kinkero pardon go exist kere kya moske charity ngiru nyina bogor bwe byama Kenya Social Congress kya hatati kengere pardon go exist kere buya ka ko ligere ka ko na rais kya meki jogo go sherekea osengere go sherekea nimotara ndabo mairi na tuma mwanyara ka mo comment chingwana chia moske chinate mngamede nyara ka ba meki goro nchenare from where I sit libagalio kwa sherekea no kwero belinga gochi obacholi boli muntu ido tegara chingwana chia mu sketchulete Muhammad ya kwa ndegoro yekia megia ODM
sali bila tunaendelea tuko katika broad base lakini sisi tumejipanga tutahakikisha ya kwamba ODM is going to form the next government or they will be part of the next government. ODM will never be called an opposition party again in this one. Kwa mapenzi ya Mwenyezi Mungu.
Skejuneti Muhammad ya nene mono niga gotabanga gochimutuga gochakirali tukulie chuma ijange Jumamosi ya gochimutua ikiama gyo ODM gochikandika ngoro asikira serikali osekabera serikali chi option ni bere kero asikira serikali no ODM osekabera serikali wona igekere serikali
Igana bokera atigar ko vera serikali osekero serikali we don't know maybe you see we have one siasa ya bwatrinse and the people are aligning themselves. Let me also say ekyama gya ODM go gya chita out of abantu abachita ko nyoranga bare people of the same agenda bakaranga tigabara osekyama and we have seen these things happen ko nyoranga abantu bare babwate gya agenda cyabo bachama bate banga no let's have the same party just the same way Jubilee party yachite abanaba it was a coalition initially. So bakaranga the only way tora nyora numbers tikatoche tobe une kiama the same to ODM bakaraba abu Mosike Kibaki bakaranga tikabaro she kiama they were good, they were as bakarosi kiama huge kubogo chori bwari kubwati. Despite what happened, the ODM Kenya na the ODM they went ahead. So just like a Buga statement from the first time, what are people celebrating? Maybe the Gen Z who are now the center of attention of every politician. What are we celebrating with ODM? ODM has been there. ODM has been there for the last 20 years. During that time, nabako nyana mwana munyaruka naro iburitunga ki nambona nabona nawata no mwana taratwara vera unless circumstances, but I want to be sure mwana aro 20 years bonoiga and maybe nabwate a baby even tonta ketoko tabanga ODM is celebrating the longest maybe in terms of being active na kutwara maybe members representation as a parliament. You can give them. It has been there. But if you talk about many successes and maybe ideologies, you can tell them the success of a party that you not only having MPs and MCAs and senators and governors, how we measure that. But ODM has never been a party ya Rosie serikali. You see, that is the only success they don't enjoy at this point. Looking at Enchira Mukutano Lengali, Nachatari briefly, although I had some other things I had to attend to. Naro Charia, Abaraya, Wangano Barenge. But I don't know if you can't really celebrate, if you are serious with the party, you are celebrating an achievement of a party, go say at 20. Minus I saw abantu abange ba miseti ase mukutano uri
abango kwa list ya bali ba miseti karota kugendera abajumbe bonsi batano bagusi abachalo ne kyabo gyodiam abare Mosike Obadia Barongo webunge ya Machoga Bravo Mosike Anthony Kibagendi webunge ya Kitutu Chacha South Mosike Daniel Manduko webunge ya Nyaribali Masaba Mosike Patrick Osero webunge ya Bravo no Mosike Kiribo Manege Sairo webunge ya Kitutu Masaba Mosene the county ya Nyamira o Mosike Okongo Mogeni Mosene the county ya Kisii Mosike Richard Mamaima Onyonga
bono matches
meaning is abantu bacholire bonse bikora gusine kyambo gyodiam
onde tayo
sebiro gebye binene no mugavana gwikorengo no deputy governor
nere gwikorengo no deputy governor uyu nere itokorukanga ngitokoro
lakini atanga no mugavana gweka na mento mo deputy governor
the nominated member of parliament ko Nyamira Irene Mayaka. So ototo my questions were why could we celebrate? We don't have a party leader, we don't have even Secretary General, we don't have a treasurer. In fact, the treasurer happens to come from Nyamira, Timoro Chigari, and is a senior most. You know, when you are a treasurer of a party, you are one of the senior most people among the party. But unfortunately, those people, and of the worst of all now, Elisti Ikwarule, the elected members were not there.
All of them.
And we could look even interest to Manyanga MCS Barenga Barenga Bachoni Kiama. So much as we saw people Barenge in ODM, Barenge in shirts and coffees, but at the end of the day, the reflection is where is the other leaders? Who is the party leader? Who, in fact, was expected to be there. Communication yarengo ngatabwena togocha. The communication from the first thing, the communication from the first time, yaringa almost Raila Odinga ko barengo. So much as ODM was celebrating, actually, when you look at the mood of people who were there, including the leaders who spoke, it's all in preparation. It was a campaign for 2027. It was all about gochaga koroki abantu ngaki ya na ba abantu bande baachire maybe the margins of Fred Matiang'i, but no into dem tokoreteki ntoro kwarere. So it was kind of nga bayorokinga nare naronga mbare present in Kisii County. Much as mukutano korekanete Kisii Stadium, igorengo mukutano gusi both Nyamira and Kisii County. So I think I don't know the success and the celebration they were having if we indeed missed all those protocols.
Garatuacha kabuga abolinga ningi bali go celebrate. Bona liko to era sanga.
I have the same question. What were they celebrating? If you don't have the party leader,
I don't have Timbati. Let me say Timba soft words for the party. Timba nginanya weke mpaka the
soft spot.
Timba soft spot. At the moment Timba soft spot for them. Awe kwa Mugusi. I think ngina celebrate ODM party at the moment. One, the embarrassment studying on Friday. it's kind of apa ibagusi parodium wakatebanga the ODM party is discriminating on umugusi either yole chama ime or umugusi as a people, as a community. One, you cannot have a function a party as a Gusii Stadium, the capital, let me say the capital city of Kisii, CBD, then you don't have one, two, there were two actually. Top leaders were attending a meeting. One was Lena Nyakirario, the member of parliament from Nyamira, and one was Governor Simbarati. But there's something striking out from that meeting. The people in get podium Mugoro, the VIP podium in Korogari, they all wearing t-shirts ODM at 20. Karangi will go connecting copy. A crowd they can get a moino gaiga, a t-shirt Simbarati. So I was asking myself, is that part of the party as Simbarati or is it part of the party ODM? That aside. Also, the town one night, it's very important. This year, ODM
at 20
in Mombasa, in Kilifi County. Ngizanga pekere everybody ya mo town ko karibisha ODM section in Gusii Stadium. That's one. Two, for the first time, ODM had to ODM party, and whoever was organizing that event, akainvite abantu bakuchawakan. Yani abantu basombe to Gusii Stadium. Did right? Telling and telling Gusii not on Gusii and not on Stadium. There's no day ODM ya wasomba abantu Gusii Stadium. There's no day Gusii Stadium. Yani there's yale like no go provoke imagine the abantu ngaki let us try that abantu. But my worst experience with what happened on Friday ningelinga after a meeting and bakangera in bakasera. Etari
ayegura embarrassment.
Yes, etari ideals chia chama. So they say that the party ya funded the event here. They have funded niche chinge sana. Chinge minimum. So we funded the program ya ODM was Gusii Stadium. But then again the embarrassing completely ngelinga. Inga mwako na samunga bagusi balando ODM balenge event here on Friday. Now look at it. Raila was invited to Gusii Stadium. I think thrice, the latest twice. When Shabana was having, I think, a meeting, primary function yesterday. All the both the two meetings, they had a quanting a yelling. Like on Friday, quanting a yelling. People thought like it was to come. Not even people thought, people were told it was to come. But the Ango child, all those things happened. Chindaga 3 days to 4 days to go into the spectacle, then you hold an expensive event, it doesn't have any meaning just for Gusii. And again, you go and meeting the ODM Yabang on Friday. It's like you're like, use the word to go provoke, like Okocha Yomo Gusii, Komokia Madarao, Ase Kiama Kelikia Galile, Ochairu. But the time go change. There is that amongst no lenga se chama ODM kare. Kiato kinendo miaka 3 miaka nenda bona iga, ndo ODM ke gochaka. Ne nyundo. Remember ka bantu bangu tande nyundo chongire pa. Ndo lengo mongso ODM. Even to last time, I lengo mungso ODM, ODM as a presidential candidate Raila Odinga, and to nale mo inogai. But now I ask myself, the same party, they were the candidates in Nyamaiya, they were the candidates in Nyansongo ward, they were the candidates in Ekerenyo ward. What I tell you, celebrating like I could have expected.
Most probably,
yes. As well as the government, why one lenga ki ya to tell Nyamaiya, ira Nyansongo, or see like again to get come on. What test strength yabo. As we stand one naiga. Some not the National Treasury Party Timothy Bosire telling meeting. What do you expect from that? Timothy Rokanire kind of what's a great idea get come some Gusii chama according to the cake. Atuchaka maybe chama I also atuchaka something else okonyo Gusii. But the question will be ODM in celebrate Gusii. What is it that within this, if you remember Kero Kongo Mogeni Achorte Commission, a commission as a Permanent Service Commission, Yalingeseki. You remember the Peter speech within the Senate, but then we voted for this party. We gave the majority votes from Nyamira, we just said Chame. Patimo Gusii, Tara weekend. Akaiwa commissioner. Yalengeseki. Same thing happened, Kero Port-based government here that formed. People expected like Opio or Oiregas, and the bad Oiregas. This was the top cream ODM leadership. Pakatika National Treasurer, actually it was the longest serving official in ODM. Then but Timothy was is the chairman, board of trustees ODM. Tateraka tigusko andu akayo pakatango karo PS style. Another day akawa chairman
when TSA.
Yes. When some of these positions chete chances idea. Mondate abati yangu anike kusinta benga mondate banga bone progevi e chame yatike kwa yomoka. Nituka jemo tukira 2027 yekereka kere community etwale chama ere strong. kile kitu wako ba negotiate as national
lakini ndiko sinto bugati mo deputy party leader yoro mgavana Paul Simbarat
is that
credit to him ara
before some comment on that thing you know kile kia truth be told ikitalinga no monto wani to no monto bwangete truth be told kile kia umeshimiwa governor Simbarat ngeri kukona dira say ailakia your DM people expect like Vajakana Mombasa between is it 9 to 12 Vajakana Mombasa they were supposed to have an NDC meeting in Mombasa
kebe ratified
kebe kwaro but information we have nearing aki ODM will not have NDC in Mombasa so the kebe pushed ahead correct meeting ya kwa Nairobi ya neck ya ODM ya rengo mulro sana ni linga neli bata kwa no man ya rengo mulro pako bantu bakachiko almost kwa enda fiscal but ni linga ki mugusi kind of so bwata nyanda mwam the same deputy party leader bako Simbarat akatebanga mugusi ngabwate nyanda mwaso mugusi umwabo no mokere so kero tabanga mtoto no mugusi nyanda mugusi to bwate nyanda mwam banga mugusi na bwate nyanda mwam tabanga into abagusi to bwate nyanda mwam to denga sam na bwate nyanda mwam ukaga no mugusi njine mu kabire ngao so into bwate nyanda mwam when he's fighting to be a deputy party leader yet to bwate kan mugusi na bwate candidate to the presidency who is supposed to support.
Yes.
Briefly.
Actually, let me tell you, Ekerugia Simbarat as the deputy party leader of ODM, ikogia achete yani just to neutralize, yani gotisomo. Let me be honest about it. Kwa sababu Ekerugo, you remember the former party leaders tobugata abachete
Moske Joho na Oparanya.
Joho na Oparanya. Igendege kagenda se Somad na Ososi. So meaning that umugusiga achete ko neutralize wave ili achete afre matching. Actually, I can confess and say that we as the Kisi, abagusi at large, mbabu atikenda bago celebrate about ODM. Umuzikerera na about opportunity, yoko obo waziri, obo PS, and whatever the work that was there, including even the parliament itself. If the gap was created as a National Assembly, why couldn't we have one person at least na abe kurende? Finally. I listened very well to speech of Senator Kongo Mogeni, Ngakiara Komo Commissioner. He gave a bit of speech saying that this is the party we have fought for. Lakini no Konyoromo Commissioner itself was a problem. Then what do we celebrate as kisses in the ODM?
Mansingi ando manchu mulgereli eli community nga gyamagi ODM mugachibe gyamagi ODM no musketi motivosire wikirabona iga tajina keko baliruo changa igo ODM badongero no deputy party leader agorgunga Paul Simbarat timati namba ile ngale saba deputy party leader bali batatu moske Abdul Somade Sharif Nasir moske Godfrey Ososi na boy moske Paul Simbarat onsi ayungi adatu ataba eli komi ngana yayo mwali less than a minute because ndo jenga director ngongi tahali kurwali less than a minute
ngana ne mwali mbemona sengenje ko mnyali ngana ne mwali ototo ne ringo tabanga much as we are having this political siasa mbono ya chakire egentonda sababu kusibo tambe actually tigantebe ina briefly nga no murembe nande bono na intu tuachanja urukire tuamanyire nga kisiasa ko genda na intu tuikira sabono mugusita bwandi go chayo mugusina bwandi kurigereru na into asegete where we can be recognized and being appreciated for being one of the communities in our country. Thank you.
Abuba.
Njino briefly. Tindantumire background yomo li kintantumire background yomo gusineringa abara ivagusi. You have been shown net community inde ngisiasa. It's time for you to sit. Mwe kama monkai namo molengeli tumokonyo mugusi gochumutuga iga kisiasa.
Mwanjo muligeli kinege karo kiaga tembe na tokorira nseme iga abo atomera na chinsainye ase amangana maya yeke unga chinsainye jini ngoro kuharo ni ototo nyangiri timbwa telingo menda timbwa telingo rusi toligera litororenga ngaki siasa gante kuye kweganda kobera chingo chigante kobekwa paka nandeli tukolindeli ya Jumapili alinde tonya kwa tokogenderia stwatigera gostugo chakera stwatigera ase egeikaro kia getembe gorwa ase studio kabere nigakorwa Mike Willis tuskauchiale gwera turese kionga chinsenye amangana maya
company ya Falcon Bonno nigo igukorereria amangana matununto asamatao aye umureme nigo bonno bakoretere embusuro y'ikibando eyo ya ETG M601 eyo ikwama asegeka cy'amatuko emiye muna 25 wika emiye muna 30 oka bandiga nigo iguichuye buya asekemba gyonsi nabo igo ekobo buya amasakara terikugunda na nigo terikoigwa uburuire bw'ekibando betanigo terigwa uburuire terikoreta bicondo bwege company ni bakoretere ubuyu bubusimeka ebimeri bwa Kaino Music obubumentre NPK obusyarira chikiro 50 nebere yuka aseka bwato boyo bunde bwa top dressing bukoro kwa Kaino Plus S obu nigo butumeka obuyo chikilo 50 nebere nesano yuka aseka obu nigo bukurenda ebimeri niriro lyao ebyamentaliga kubwa aburi tangani company ga ni bwate obuyo wa Kaino Plus Gromax obubu bwate potassium salva nabo igo calcium urasiarere ebimeri byo binde byonse munabono amatunda onsi echae obori tibando chingende emesie ekawa na bimeri binde byonse ayugusimeka asiriruba liyuguse obuyo buiga nigo bore ase chikilo 10 igobogotoka ase eduka yokonya ebimeri nechinyeke erangi nasore bakire simi ase namba 0788000028 gosem 0705725735.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kipi kinachokusababisha ukose imani na mimi?
Hivyo vitendo vyako.
Kwa hiyo ndio maana umeamua kunificha kama mkeo anaumwa.
Unasemaje? Nilichokuambia nimemaanisha.
Mimi ninachotaka ni kupona kwa mdogo wangu na si vinginevyo. Kwa hiyo shemeji, tekeleza ulichoambiwa.
Shemeji, yaani mimi kuongeza mke wa pili ndio tiba ili mke wangu aweze kupona? Sasa hii ni dawa au ni masharti? Mimi sikutaki kukuoa wewe kwa sababu ya kufanya mapenzi. Lengo la mimi kukuoa wewe ili kumponya mke wangu ambaye ni mgonjwa.
Una uhakika ukinioa mke wako atapona? Na asipopona je?
Manchumo rigerali chinsa ninya chia bono maraga bali tukaliga alia ai Jumapili tariki 27 chomutinyo kianda umwaka bachirwe na 5 kene kionga chinsa nya senjira yobukirano cyane ngoro ku Aaron Ototo nyangiri kuransa nyesemwe manyirio nikoto kubotana referensa nyaboke mubere bomusayo mohoni gotoka gosugunaine ase omote chinsemo chia staff angene geita kegoswa guchia ase University ya Kisii kolengana no moteneri w'abanyanyimbo nigo umubiro yotabwate ngoma chinde chonsi nigo obotuki bwachakiwe kwane kege kolekyo mulikito Daniel Ntiri namange
mapema lero mubiro iga bumusacha w'emyaka yigatwa nigotoka gusunguna na somote ase pariga yokogenda ase University ya Kisii gwetera ase para imanyekaine buna staff otaringe na ngoma chinde chonsi egekore kiago sabange
emambi ya lero sharinge chinsanga 12 na nyora ngwa kerwesimi kurwa University ya Ita ya Kisii bagontebinga umubiri norotokire abona agenda bakararo twataka kumurigirira twanyorire ngatari kumanyikana bia pakabone gataramanyikana
korengana no boteneri wensemiga nyagusira taramanyikana buya asakurwa aseno nyina bo ikibande giatoka somubuko gekoro kebonene gakurwa sensemo yabo machoge boigo okwanire iguru yo komentekana kwebikore bingabunebi namuno asamatuka bwango iga
kigesi gichi achakire kubucha kigendereta kubucha buna boko na gukie kigendereta ko bachinyinge na timanyiti nga bitambukiro kibitokeire kuirwa rigere abana basomi gubuya babe cancelled na doche mirimo nero neme ko mirimo teriande bona bokonyora mawaso achandikire anto bachandikete birengarire
asense mwende nigarwe segeto hasabasae byemekemeke wetanga kurwase ebintu ebikoba ebirengerio na bikuba suguma mona sobugima obulia boigo chinchira kirigwe cyo gukwanira basaba ke
sae babono amaene be soiri ase bintu binge bitari ko bakonya batwarire tamere igoro babwenerete kumanyanga nonye ni magenderando cia gokorwa igakuirenga kitari gokorwa kigima
umubero iga ni gotoka ng'echimita emiemo kurwa segita kyogoso ase University ye ekyo giatiga bange na maborio bakweboria asiki nande na kiekunyarikana aigonsi koene kigwa nechinga kecho umubero igoro sigwa sense meiga goika senkendu Nguruboterega seni kiaga tembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii litrene nguru kwa Daniel Ntiri
na umwanchu muligere kubatakana mano kungusana na kwa barundi abejipigipigi ase kaunti ya Nyamira na mano asoboro oborai inse kyombekia Boda Boda Association of Kenya nigoli tukulia lero umuteneri gwekombekia ase nzengima ya Kenya asirieta Kevin Mbadi nyakabaga gwesoke na ukwaniranga neyo munagotumye mulikito Paul Cap Okara
umuteneri bwe sekta ya Boda Boda na nene kurwa soro ngoro kaunti ya Nyamira niko bwagendere ko wabo gotware sikikano ase chirombe ibiri chagendere ko bachikongusa na wasiulenga nabo abachairman be kaunti ya Nyamira wikabono Bernardo Rindo oyo bwete chikura chirichi heta nigo agotebanero mo chairman mega yake gambero gotukutira kina kiabege twabisi kurinde niganyarete ko bagotenenigwa amo nekiombeki kya bana Boda Boda Kenya ngimagia BAK ase nonyina bokia machora Dominic Babu oyuru munyakero gokorwa ase orugongo rwa Masaba North koba omunyakero gontenere meje county ya Nyamira
on Thursday bindombiro byakorekanaga Masaba North o former chairman oyuru setugo ore suspended nando rusetugo ase chama achaga koro uchaguzi ya Masaba North akaruji certificate isato certificate ya riders ibere cha riders na ya BAK I want to tell you members of the estate, a little for the estate, little when they are get to Kana. We know in border and our own self-regulations. To govern into the sector. Number one, former chairman Bernard Orindo, what he's doing is wrong and illegal. Provided now we they be in that illegal.
Neski kana yagendre kwa baga kwene kigwa. Asomos ke Dominic Babu agendre kwa baga kubwa toka chi certificate ko cha se aba chairman au kurwa sinsemo au. Waigo oyo bwango mono kubwa toka chi certificate chi gambe na Orindo imeye sub county Masaba North.
Monyi kumo tebe mtwara situ kama na kwaere. Wanyikuli kamura akane ko yuto mutageti na bato ngito kwa ndo beteria ko kana ngiko kwa lati murai.
Again narago te members we to be county ngima je muno president obi Kenya Nyamira county ngima with the authority. Bernard Orindo that chairman ya Nyamira county ya BK. There is this BK certificates. Eja ko Nyakuru. Chi certificate Jones P njena to morko na robe jire yellow in color and I've given all the chairmans.
Na gikirire kumuligia omo president bwe BK mayor gongoruense ya Kenya asirita Kevin Mbadi ili kuganya kumanya ningo bene obwenete kujara kubaga gutene sector ya bodaboda korwase county ya Nyamira.
My name is Kevin Mbadi, National Executive Chairman of Bodaboda Association BK. Na nataka kuweka mambo wazi kwamba Bernard Orindo is no longer the chairman of Nyamira County. He was suspended because of misconduct ambazo alikuwa nazo. Na until tumukilie kama BK is not allowed kufanya kitu yoyote ya bodaboda katika Nyamira County. Is not allowed, vitu zenye anafanya zote ni illegal. Mtu mwenye allowed kufanya biashara, kufanya mikutano na serikali, polisi na nani na watu wa bodaboda ni Dominic Babu. Ndio committee iliamua ashikilie mpaka ile wakati kwa advice otherwise. Hizo certificate hazitoki BK office, in fact is forging a logo, so ni makosa ambayo tunafaa tumchukulie hatua kwanza. Kwa nini anaforge logo ya BK? Anapatiana certificate bila ruhusa yetu. Anataka aseme nani amempatia ruhusa ya kupatiana hizo certificate kwa bodaboda. Na kwa nini anapatiana certificate karibu 3 kama mahali pamoja? It shows that he is doing some illegal business zenye haziandamani na maadili yetu kama BK. So tunamwambia kuanzia saa hii achane na hizo vitu za kudish out certificate. Ajue hizo vitu zote zenye anafanya ni makosa.
Niginto kolengana muna Dominic Babu agendere kwa baga kukibwatira koboko. Na kote babu na nigara tukunyara kwa baga gutena bwikira nabo namba na bodaboda. Elio abana bodaboda benyolere obwaito bunene asakire tege emiroberio gendete gokoramo na Bernard Orindo.
Propaganda jiko genda iga no. Ndongera na roche I want to quote. Na botu abete iga yabantu banyagate abe Nyabaro tali speaker Nyabaro tukanya koligereri finally Nyabaro na speaker ya county ya Nyamira. Na inunganya kwa mole monyagate Babu tali chairman mutigare isko. Asibone ngani njo munyakero wa Bodaboda Safety Association of Kenya BK. I'm the president of BK Nyamira County until further notice na liro belikoteba.
Inko report ligeta sini kia uwanjete kia gatembe kora sinseme chigache county Nyamira inche gonkuru kwa Polycarp. Okara
Omo wasiri omo koro yuwaigole muraibe kiama ya DAP Kenya omo skewchini mamarwa ngabero yubwango igago kwanira igoro ya obokoreri wa banyanyimbo bensi ya Kenya ase ense ya Haiti kwana chinza mochi akachiado niganya kwa kumusaba omuraibe enso omo skewile Samuel Ruto kwa mukiga tambukiro na koirania abanyanyimba bwa sense ya Kenya limorioka.
Do the honorable thing. Ile mission that was ill-advised, ill-conceived, and ill-deployed against court orders that violated our constitution. Tuataka hiyo mission ikikwisha, maiti ingine isitoke Haiti, vijana wetu warudishwe wapi? Nyumbani. Hiyo hatutaki kusema tunaomba, we demand. Sababu nimesikia Rais Trump akiongea, and Trump addressed the UN General Assembly for almost 1 hour. Ruto akitoa hotuba yake ameongea eti vile Kenya wataendelea kuwa Haiti. Na Trump mwenye Amerika amesema hakuguzie hiyo jambo. Why are you bwana Ruto mourning louder than the bereaved? Amerika ndio imekuwa inasimamia mambo ya Haiti, ni majirani na Haiti. Na Amerika wamejaribu, hii mambo imewashinda. Ule mfupa ulishinda fisi, je umbu ataweza? So hayo mambo sisi tunataka tuachane nayo, vijana wetu warudi nyumbani. Na wezi sema ati watu wa Haiti tunawapenda sana, wasitekwe nyara, na huku vijana wetu bado wanateka nyara. Haiwezekani. So sitaki niseme kuliko hapo, nataka niseme vile mnatuona hapa siku ya leo. Sisi tumeamua
na mukonyi wa Muraibwense mukuru musikija Rigathi Gachagua nigarakane kumwegerera musikano so Musyoka kubwatikana amo nechinguma na zachinde nigara nganye kurwase obumobu kwamerere serikali na guswasa serikali me kolengana na Gachagua nigo balirira kubwatirana wikana kwane kyabuna ngurusi bale omosike Muraibwense omosike William Samoei Ruto abisi.
Farm to the people of Kenya. I have sat down with my brother Kalonzo. Kalonzo will stand with the people of Kenya to the end. He is patriotic and he cannot sell this country. And actually I have done as a political scientist. Mimi nilisoma political science pale University of Nairobi. Ruto alisoma hii maneno ya matawi na nini. Ndio Kenya imepotea. Sasa I have studied maneno ya Kalonzo Musyoka. Huyu Raila alikuwa anasema ati Kalonzo ni watermelon. Mimi nimeangalia Kalonzo has been steadfast kwa msimamo. Raila amemchenga na kumsaliti for 15 years. Hajamwacha hata siku moja. Amemfanyia interview, amemwaibisha, hakumwacha. Kalonzo amekuwa na msimamo from day one. In fact, the watermelon of Kenya ni huyu Raila Odinga. Just do an analysis. Alisimama na Moi 1997, akashindwa, akaenda kwa Moi, kweli? Akashindwa na Kibaki 2007, akashikana na Kibaki. Akashindwa na Uhuru, akaenda kwa Uhuru. Akashindwa na Ruto, akaenda kwa Ruto. Mtu ambaye hana msimamo katika Kenya, the real watermelon of Kenyan politics ni one Raila Amolo. So hiyo tagu ulikuwa umewekelea Kalonzo, tumekubadika, wewe ndio watermelon. Kalonzo is a patriotic son of this republic.
Na chinga kechecho omorake makia waipa hiboigore nge omokonyi bo Muraibwense musike Kalonzo Musyoka nigo aboldia basaya kunyaka babwesokia na kweli kyabuna abakichikura gocha kalit kuliangyo na yango bwatakana amo no gochika kurwase kyombegie chimbebe amo no bwakigwe chikura gochika umurobuli gocha kalit kuliangyo.
Kesho vijana mjitokeze. Mimi ningetaka IBC watoe taarifa leo, waonyeshe exactly how they are going to undertake the continuous registration. Na tungetaka vijana wakijitokeza kwa wingi wafanye laini kuanzia kesho. Mimi na wenzangu nasema tutaenda na sisi tuwashangilie. Kama kuna wengine hata kuwa na nauli, problem ya nauli kufika where to register, we want to know, because we expect zaidi ya vijana milioni 6 wasajiliwe kama wapiga kura. Na hawa tunawajua ni hakuna mmoja wao. Hawa ni majensi wale ambao waliuawa na serikali ya Bwana Ruto na askari wa Bwana Ruto. Hebu angalieni double speak. Yani huyu muungwana Ruto amekuwa mtu wa ajabu. Anajua kudanganya hata wazungu. Ameenda na wadanganya. Anaambia kule Sudan tunataka human rights ziheshimike South Sudan. Hatutaki wanawake wasumbuliwe kule. Hatutaki mauaji. Hatutaki mambo ya gunism in Africa, in Sudan na huku nyumbani. Tunajua kwamba kikundi cha RSF hata huenda, and we are investigating this matter positively, quickly, huenda pengine wao wanapatiwa silaha za watu wa Kenya.
Mwanzo muligero kirabu na tokolera mangana mayeke onga chinsenye hema koroba ya lero litukaliga ya Jumapili. Njeni ngongoro kwa rone toto nyaki kuransa mayo manyirioni gakoro kwa Vein Nyaboke nabaye kuransa mayo transition nigakoro kwa Mike Willis twara obuligero lyo bujemi yake. Watuka nende gutwara obuligero bujemi yake Tembe TV nabaye gutwara botukobya.
Tuwatakira haero mane buse oke siasa gusa nigo cyagite ibinte bicanga mugete bisambete Into cho moskiri ka tiga shawo chiri kurmuino ka ika. Chako no kimklema okigoro bono. Kai. Tikanda kwali baga nkikebe.
Kasongo hadi asiende. Kasongo hadi asiende. Keriaine. Ground inasemaje?
Moskiri Ruto inchungora kwa igule tata kwa igule nga one time.
Tulikuwa na Tibim, tukawa na Tialala, tukawa na Ria. Hiyo yenu ya one time na Kasongo ni kidogo sana. Tutawanyorosha asubuhi na mapema. Mutapotea.
Karonso ina kipo numo chima wakora na amono Moskira ira. Ngukuwa na walmono.
I repeat, I've spent a sizable chunk of my own life on earth supporting Raila Odinga. So, Mimi, I don't want to say anything more than that. We have nothing on the table.
So wherever you are, don't commit the party to some things which have not been discussed.
Ayutangu sikaneti. Tikanda kubudi. Ero ndiye wanu na ODM were serikali ime. Nejeso oki umuntu uraburi burayibwense.
Who told you that ODM will not have a candidate in 2027? Who has told you? So first, think as ODM. We have a clear plan that we have negotiated and we have agreed on, and let us continue to implement that plan.
Yani wakisikia mtu anaita Gachagua hawezi kulala. Kisikia Rigiji kwanza kisema one time wanapata na wazimu.
Usoro one time.
Ati unashinda ukisema wewe movement yako inaitwa one term. Na wewe mwenyewe watu ukimaliza the entire term ulifanya half term.
Because I'm a Christian.
Wewe mtu ya half term unaongea juu ya one term.
Ni kweli? Kweli, that is true.
Na ulishindwa kuconvince wabunge wachache wakupatie kura ndio uweze which capacity do you have ndio uweze kufanya mtu one term?
Which capacity? Kinege songo.
We need to produce one candidate to face him. For unity, there will be one candidate. And I believe and I trust that candidate is a man seated opposite you.
Candidate nae. Osoro kuigure.
Umeona? Hiyo inaitwa two term.
Two term wache? Onyonga, form ni gani?
Ni kubaya. Ni kunoma. So kule Kisii pia tunasema siku hizi Ruto must. Ruto must.
Indiki iga ro ero ndiye moitrwe kusinga kiroche bono.
Sasa mimi mtu nimepigana na Al-Shabaab, nimepigana na bandi. Nitashindwa na watu ya siasa hapa kidogo, watu kidogo hapa, watu kidogo.
Ni noma si noma.
Mimi ni fire si fire.
Ninki na inde. Ruto kuigule one time.
Wewe Kasongo. Wewe Arap Mashamba.
Na kama ni kuwa one term ni sawa. Hakuna problem. Kama wewe ndio kuamua nani atakuwa one term, nani atakuwa sijui how many terms, nilikuwa nafikiri ni wananchi wa Kenya na Mungu. Kama ni wewe, sasa amua vile unataka. Nasikia my friends.
Nganye. Tomerane. Na yende noonde ta manyinga yomo gusia asili. Monto maremu. Kauta akirumatitiri.
Akirumatitiri. Tora nyigera bono. Ajaje Osoro aiganga kiroche opposition ye bangiri.
You know, you can't be this way. I mean, hii country kwa nimelaniwa iko na lazy opposition.
Take it easy.
Nyinyi wote wanaume sijui sita na munishachoka. Shame on you opposition. Kwendeni huko.
Matiangin tu arwara. Abangono wote abakoleki.
Lagera kiro monto mogabani lagera.
Bago ika State House. Banyenyeru chisese.
Lagera kiro monto mogabani lagera. Mogo kora koragera mogabani moakere Fred Matiang'i chikura togende uchu.
Aya omuske karari kore kibana kirikya muino ka ari bya sambire. Rocho muske chabe na kibagendi. Baimukire ibotakite kurumana turunde. Nagwikira nongo kero musumari nga pa omurobere rw'umubulere na Lucas Mugaka na chire.
Uhuru Superstores. Nero eduka asorgo